My name is Lonnie Dulasco, and this is my partner.
Andres Perdigon.
And for a compound machine, we chose to do a sky tram. So basically how it works is you turn the crank and it will move the sky tram right there up and down the chain on an inclined plane. So for our first mechanism, we have a crown and pinion right here, in which the teeth to this would be 84 to 24 coming out to 3.5. That then moves this wheel and axle right here, and the MA for this would be 1 to 1 since the wheels right here are the same diameter. The wheel and axle then powers the chain and sprocket system.
The chain and sprocket system has a IMA of 1 to 1 since both sprockets are identical and they both have 6 teeth, which means they both have the same gear ratio. Chain sprocket uses the chain to drag the load, which is suspended on an inclined plane using these strings. The inclined plane is actually 28.5 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters, which comes out to an IMA of 6.33 repeating.
And this is our design.